Quick question. Do you ever wake up, glance at the clock, and think, ugh, 5 more days till Friday? Yeah, alarms blaring at 6 a.m. You fight rush hour traffic, jump through corporate hoops, and for what? Just enough cash to keep doing it again next week? Now check this out. Every single day, you and I waste about 67 cents without even blinking. That's less than a Diet Cola, cheaper than your go-to iced latte, and way less than one value meal that isn't even valuable to your waistline. Add it up and in a month and it is just 20 bucks. But what if that throwaway change could bankroll your own business, one that could buy the dream house, the dream car, the dream I work for me lifestyle? Look, I'm not talking lottery tickets or crypto moonshots. I'm talking about a proven system that turns pocket change into profit by leveraging the same simple online frameworks our affiliates use every day. Here's the crazy part. You don't need tech skills. You don't need a suitcase of cash. You just need that spare 67 cents and the willingness to follow a step-by-step roadmap we've already battle-tested. If you're ready to swap commute time for me time, fill out the short form right here, right now. Look, opportunity doesn't hang around waiting for someday. You've already spent 67 cents on stuff you'll forget by tonight. Why not use it today to fire your boss?